Hey, Whitney or Justin, can you guys hear me right now?
I can, yeah.
Okay, thank you. All right, the time is 2:03 on Friday, December 18th. This is our last construction updates Zoom meeting for the year. There's going to be some work going on over the next couple weeks, but as we said in the door hangers that we put out a few weeks ago, just keep an eye on our website for updates. The next 2 Fridays are holidays, so city offices are closed, so we won't be having scheduled update meetings, but any pertinent information will be posted on the project updates page on our website. We'll start with 69th Street, Stage 2, the week of December 21st. So next week, it's obviously a short week because of Christmas Eve and Christmas. The contractor is going to be cleaning up the site and preparing for winter conditions. As weather allows, they'll be doing some backfilling and very rough grading. The final grading won't happen until the spring, and after final grading occurs in the spring, the contractor will put down some seed. On stages 3 and 4, next week, the contractor is going to be pouring driveways that currently have rock in them that had to be removed in order for the water main to go through up to University Avenue. On College Drive, stage 2, work's pretty much done for the winter, and the contractor's working on cleaning up site conditions. College Drive, stage 3, which is the west one, contractors working on a couple driveways that they need to replace. Those 3 residents have been notified. So if you didn't get notification, you don't need to worry about getting your car out of the driveway or anything. Also on College Drive, the contractor is going out this afternoon and straightening up some of those stop signs, putting up new street signs, twisting some of the signposts. So that work is not done. They're still out there working on it. On Allison Avenue for stage 2, contractor is going to be backfilling, installing mailboxes, and cleaning up. So a door hanger is going to be going out on Monday with information about mailboxes and all that stuff. So it'll be very similar to the door hangers that were put out on stage 1. Keep an eye out for the door hangers, and if you have any questions, there's going to be contact information on those hangers for you. The intersection of 64th and Allison, which is stage 2A, was poured this morning. On Monday, the contractor, weather allowing, the contractor is going to finish the streets, specifically the box outs around the storm intakes and the sanitary manhole lids, as well as a couple driveway approaches. We expect the intersection will be opened up on Thursday morning, and again, this is all weather dependent. On University Ave, work's complete for the winter, and it's going to resume again in the spring. So over the winter, you can expect to see miscellaneous work occur between 70th and 73rd Street, and that's as weather allows. All the businesses are open. We might have somebody in the waiting room here. We might have some minor traffic control modifications that take place. So just follow the posted routes and be mindful of any changes that are going on out on site. It's like Jack joined us late here. Jack, we just finished our updates for today. Do you have any questions for us about any of the streets in particular? Jack, I'm trying to unmute you here. All right, Jack.
I don't like this. I don't like. I don't like. I don't like this. I don't like. I don't at all.
All right. Hearing no comments from the public and there's no one else in on this meeting here, we're gonna stay paused and muted for a few minutes. And if anybody joins, we'll unmute them and see if they got any questions. Other than that, just a reminder, keep an eye on our website for updates on the projects over the next week or so. Very minor work to be done yet. Recording of this Zoom meeting will be posted on the website, and written updates will be posted on the website as well. Thank you. All right, the time is 2:12 on Friday, December 18th. Seeing no other comments from the public or anybody else joining, we're going to end the recording. Whitney, I'll have those letters over to you here shortly. Have a nice weekend.